Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see cough remedies. Cough play a role in the clearing irritants and infection from the body. But persistent cough can be annoying. The best treatment for a cough will depending on the underlying cause. There are many possibility cause of cough, including allergy, infection, and acid reflux. Some natural remedies may help to relieve a cough. So people who using they may be at a risk by using low quality product and immunants. People who want to use natural remedies to treat their cough should reach research sources and brands. They should also be aware that some herbs and supplement can interfere with the medication, which may result in unwanted side effects. If a cough is a serve or present for more than few weeks, it is essential to seek medical advice. So we will start first honey tea. So this is the very natural remedies. So according to some research, honey may be relief cough. A study of treatment for nighttime coughing in children compared dark honey with the cough suppressing medicine, tetracycline, and with the no treatment. The research report that honey provided the most significant relief from the coughing, followed by the dextromethorphan. Although the benefit of honey over dextromethorphan were small, parents rated honey most favorable for all three interventions. To use honey treatment a cough, mix 2 spoon with warm water or herb tea. Drink the mixture once or twice a day. Don't give honey to children under 1 year of age. Second one is ginger. Ginger may be easy to dry asthma cough as it is anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. One study suggests that some anti-inflammatory component in ginger can relax membrane in your airways, which could reduce coughing. The research mainly studied the effects of ginger of human cells and animals. So more research is necessary. Brew up the smoothing ginger tea by adding 20 to 40 gram fresh ginger sliced to cup of hot water. Allow to steep for few minutes before drinking. Add honey or lemon juice in improve the taste and further soothe the cough. Remember that in some cases ginger tea can be cause stomach upset or heartburn. Third one is fluids. Fluids. Stay hydrated is vital for those with a cough or cold. Research indicates that drinking liquid at a room temperature can alleviate a cough, running nose, and singings. However, people with additional symptom of cough or flu may benefit from warming up the beverages. The same study reported hot beverages aggravated even more symptoms, including our sore throat, chilled, or fatigue. The symptoms relief was immediate and remained for a continued period after finishing the hot beverage. Hot beverages that may be comforting include clean roads, herbal teas, decaffeinated black tea, warm water, warm fruit juice. Then steam. Yes, steam is very many people using this getting the remedies also. Steaming is one of the best practice. A wet cough, which is one of the best, which produce much or plungum may improve with steam. Take a hot shower or bath and allow the bath to fill the steam. Stay in the steam for few minutes until symphony subside. Drinks a glass of water afterward to cool down and prevent. Alternatively, make a steam bowl. To do this, fill large bowl with the hot water and herb or essential oil, such as eucalyptus or rosemary, which may be also relieve diagnosis. Lean over the bowl and places a towel over the head. This treat the steam. Inhale the vapor for 5 minutes. In the steam feel hot on the skin, discontinue under the skin cool down. People with wet cough or chest congestion may also wish to follow the recommendation of the National Heart Lung and Blood Institute using cool mist steamy vocabulary in the home. Next one is marshmallow roots. Marshmallow roots is a herb that have long history of use treatment of cough and scoring thread. The herb can ease irritation resulting from coughing because of thick muscle content making their droppings coated with the throat. One small study re- revealed that the herb cough syrup containing marshmallow root, along with the theme and EV, effectively relieve cough resulting from the common cold and respiratory treat infection. After 12 days of taking the syrup, 90% of some particular rated in effectiveness good or very good. Marshmallow root also available dried herb or bagged tea. Add hot water to either and then drink. It is immediately or allow it is cool first. The longer the marshmallow root steeps in the water, the more musculous will be the drink. Side effect can be include stomach upset or but it may be possible to counter this the drink in the external flows. Marshmallow is available in purchase many nearby or near organic stores or online also it's available. Next, salt water gargle. Yes, this is a remedy is one of the most for treating of sore thread and wet cough. Salt water reduce phlegm and mucus in the back of the throat, which can lessen to need to cough. Stick half teaspoon of salt into the cup. Warm water until it dissolves. Allow the solution to cool slightly before using it with the gargle. Let the mixture sit at the back of the throat for the few minutes moment before spitting it out. Gargle with salt water several times each day until the cough is improved. Avoid giving salt water to younger children as they may not be able to gargle properly and swallowing salt water can be dangerous. Next one is bromelain. Bromelain, yes. Bromelain is an enzyme that comes from pineapple. It is the most plentiful in core of fruits. Bromelain has anti-inflammatory property that may be also have musculolytic properties, which mean that it can break down muscle or remove from the body. Some people drink pineapple juice daily to reduce mucus in the throat and suppress coughing. However, there may not be enough bromelain in the juice relieving the symptom. Bromelain supplements are available and may be more effective relieve the cough. However, it may be speak with the doctor before you taking the supplement. It is possible to allergic the bromelain and the herb, and this herb can be also have side effect and infect the medicine. People who take blood thinner or specific antibiotics should take the bromelain. So these are the remedies you can follow and rid off your cough. Thanks for watching my video. See you.